And welcome to another phonics lesson. Today we are going to find the ending sound in words. We'll play a little bit of listen, tap, and write. We are going to be focusing on question marks today, and your exit ticket is all about listen, tap, and write and question marks. Your teacher might pause the video now or later for you to go get materials. We're going to be finding the ending sound for these words. So make sure you have something to write on and something to write with. I'm going to show you a card with a picture, tell you what the picture is, then your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to write the letter that you hear at the end of the word. Remember, every letter name makes a sound. So here we go. The first is tub. Tub. I hear B at the end, and that means that's the letter B because we know B makes the B sound. Tub. We're just focusing on the ending sound, the last sound we hear. This is a car. Car. The last sound, the ending sound we hear is and we know the letter R makes the sound. Car. Next one. Box. Box. I hear X at the end, so that means we have the letter X that makes the X at the end of box. Clock. Clock. We hear K at the end, which tells us that it could be a C or a K. We have not learned this yet, but I'm going to tell you a little secret. When we hear K at the end, we are going to be using CK. CK makes the K sound, and we'll learn more about CK in a little bit, but CK is at the end of clock because we hear K. Anytime you hear K at the end of a word, it's going to be CK. Last one for today. Run. 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 I hear not but at the end, and that tells me that the letter N is at the end of the word run. Run. Great work today. Today we're back again with Mario Luigi, and Mario wants to write another letter to the princess. Yesterday, he was working on the punctuation mark, a period, that helps us know when to stop, and we use a period to tell something. Today, Mario wants to write another letter to the princess, asking her a question, but he's not sure how to make the sentence correct. Can we help him with this punctuation mark? Here we go. Here are our 3 punctuation marks. Yesterday, we talked about the period. We know that there are 3 kinds of punctuation marks: the period, the question mark, and an exclamation point. Mario needs to know when to use them. Yesterday, we learned how to use the period. Today, we're going to learn how to use a question mark. Then tomorrow, we'll learn how to use the exclamation point. The question mark. A question mark is used when you're asking something. For example, can I have ice cream? Will you be my friend? Can you help me write a letter? All of these sentences are asking us a question. Questions will always end with a question mark. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to practice asking questions. Now, let's fix this sentence. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to talk about how can we fix this sentence. We know every sentence needs an uppercase, a capital letter, and I noticed there's a little c, so we're going to have to fix that. We also need a punctuation mark. This sentence says, can you see me? Can you see me? It's not telling us something, it's asking a question. That means we need an uppercase C at the beginning, and we need a question mark at the end. Can you see me? I'm asking a question. Can you see me? All right, let's fix this sentence. Your teacher is going to pause the video, and let's see if we can help fix this sentence. We know sentences always begin with an uppercase, a capital letter, and need a punctuation mark. This sentence is, how are you? We don't know yet how you are because we're asking a question. So that means we need to put the punctuation mark of a question mark and capitalize that H to an uppercase H. And now says, how are you? We're asking a question. How are you? If you answered this question, I am good, we would put a period at the end of that sentence. Can we help them fix this one? Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to fix this sentence that says, where is the princess? We've been learning in reading that where is a question word. We're asking a question. Where is the princess? When fixing this sentence, we need to make sure we make this lowercase w and uppercase W and make the punctuation mark a question mark. We're asking a question. Where is the princess? If we answered this question, the princess is in the castle, we would put a period at the end of the sentence. When asking a question, we always use a question mark. Wow, the princess got her letter. Let's see what Mario wrote. Hello, princess. Did you have a good day? My friend taught me how to write these sentences. Did you know you use a question mark when asking a question? Hope to see you soon. Love, Mario. That you have something to write on and something to write with as we are playing listen, tap, and write. I'm going to say a word and then your teacher is going to pause the video and you guys are going to tap out the word and then write what you hear. Here's your first word. Mom. Mom. Let's tap that word out. One more time. Mom. Let's see how we write it. M-O-M. We hear at the beginning and at the end, and we hear in the middle. Mom. Next word is tax. Tax. Ax. 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 T-A-X. Tax. All right, last word. Are you ready? Rut. 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 R-U-T. Great work today. Today, it is time for you to go to Seesaw. You will be working on some question mark sentences as well as listen, tap, and write. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.